see the money I withdraw from this app. I want to show you guys that I actually make money with this app. So number one, as you can see, the money that I withdraw is 150. I think it was the day before yesterday when I requested the withdrawal and it was successful, as you can see there on the green signs. And then number two is 945. This was yesterday, as you can see the date, and it was successful, guys. As you can see, today I want to withdraw 100 rand to my bank account. So what I'm going to do, I'm just gonna put 100 rand. I'm just gonna put 100 rand. That's simple as that, guys. I'm sorry about that. Just let's just go back again to the app and then click withdrawal, and then just go there and again put 100 rand. So guys, as you can see, after doing that, click withdraw. That's how you can withdraw. As you can see now, my balance, I think, let me refresh, it's going to be 0. As you can see there, you withdraw. Like and subscribe. As you can see, it's processing, guys. Yeah.